Alright, Joshua here with W.T.F silencers, also known as Wyoming Tactical Firearms. We are testing out repeatability and point of impact shift, and we're going to do it using multiple adapters, using a quick disconnect from the dead air chemo. Then we got our 6.5 Creedmoor 6-hour cross, 18-inch barrel. We got a 6-hour BDX scope, 3x18. So we got our target set up down here at 100 yards. Kind of see it. It's that thing out there, 100 yards. So we're going to do 3 shots at each one. So we're going to do 3 bear shots. Then see how that goes. Then we'll put a suppressor on there. Do 3 with each one. Rifle is currently zeroed in, bare muzzle, but we'll take 3 shots, bare muzzle. So this is going to be, there's 2 white targets out there, white paper targets, right next to each other. We're going to shoot bare muzzle at the bottom left square on the left target. So this is a Jackalope 280 cal. Serial number ending in 31. Probably can't see it on here. This time we're going to shoot same sheet of paper to the left hand side, top left corner. So we're going to switch and go to the bottom right corner of the left paper. That primer from the factory. Look at that thing. Next up, we got the one marked as a 224 caliber. But so we'll go middle bullseye, left hand side paper. We're going to use the Tatanka 36 cal. Serial number ending in 28. So we're going to go top left target. Next, we're going to do the Tatanka Maiden 375 cal. You good with ears, or do you need to set up?
Let me grab my ears right quick.
We're going to go top, right target, left paper. break and quick disconnect from dead air chemo adapter. See the shift? Now we're going to be going bottom left on the right sheet of paper.
You got all sorts of good stuff setting out there.
Yeah, I'm doing repeatability test and point of impact shift when switching suppressors, quick disconnect versus direct thread, sciencey crap.
Yeah, so how's the quick disconnect working?
Less accurate. So on the white paper, right hand target, lower left was quick disconnect.
Which kind of makes sense, you know, it's not as positive as.
And it has a huge point of impact shift.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, which I don't like. This is what we're using. That's about 6 ounces or so. We're going to stick with the 224 jackalope. I'm going to try the rugged Alaskan. It's 36 cal. I'm going to use my quick disconnect, or my direct thread adapter on it. Alright, 4 shots will go bottom right on the right hand side. So right paper target, bottom right target. What caliber are you shooting?
6.5 PRC.
Nice. What suppressor?
It's Gunworks titanium. They're 6 plus.
6 plus. I'm a manufacturer of suppressors. That's what I'm out here just testing point of impact shifts on.
Oh, okay.
So we got the short 224 back on there. Correct, and we're gonna go right paper, middle. Yeah, right paper, middle target. 4 shots. Next, we're going to go for the 4 choker cards that have horses on them. I'm going to shoot at the splatter target, 4 small bullseyes. Check our targets. Shooting from. So here's how we worked our way around the targets. Started here. And here, here, there, 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 there. I believe this is the quick disconnect. Then start having to worry about some windage. 1 horse down. And corner shots. Then adjust for windage here. So that's what it is. Definitely prefer direct mount. So we'll get back, then I'll type in the data in the order of the shots and show them on there. Have a great day.